Alright, hello everybody. This is Mr. Bill, or Mr. Safford, and today I'm going to go over the life cycle of a quail for you. These are Coturnix quails, also called Japanese quails. They are ground birds. They don't fly very much, and they are very hardy, can handle a lot of cold, and they're very good layers. They lay an egg almost every single day. And they come in a lot of different colors, as you can see. Alright, so here are the eggs. So the eggs have to be protected because a lot of animals like to eat quail eggs. It takes about 3 quail eggs to equal a chicken egg. But quail eggs are very popular in a lot of Asian cuisine. So there's the adults. And the next step is to get these guys into an incubator, where they will sit for 18 days. After 18 days, they will become a full chick. Alright, I use 2 different incubators. The first incubator turns the eggs, just like a mommy would turn the eggs in the wild, but Coturnix don't sit on their eggs, so they have to go into an incubator. So this machine slowly turns the eggs. Then at 15 days, I take the eggs out and put them into a hatching incubator. Okay, this is the hatching incubator. Okay, the incubator is kept at between 100.5 degrees to 101 degrees. And if you might be able to see, that egg has a pip in it. A pip is a small hole made by the baby, which means these eggs are going to start hatching very soon. So by tomorrow morning, this incubator may be full of babies. Then after they hatch, they go into a brooder. A brooder is a box that is kept at a warm temperature. Right now, these babies are kept at around 95 degrees. And they slowly get used to colder temperatures until they can handle a normal room temperature. And they like to play in their food. So in the brooder, they get plenty of food and water, and they get lots of exercise. And they stay in the brooder for about 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, they're big enough to handle more temperatures. They can handle hotter weather or colder weather. And they're in the growing cage. They stay in the growing cages for about 3 weeks. So after about 6 weeks, they get put into their forever home. And then at around 8 weeks, they'll start laying eggs of their own. So, if one of these quail laid an egg today, in 10 weeks, a baby will have hatched, grown up, and laid an egg of her own. So in 2.5 months, one of these birds can be a grandma. So that is very fast. Okay, so if one of these girls laid an egg today, by June 24th, their baby would be laying more eggs. So it's a 10-week cycle from egg all the way up to where they're laying their own eggs. And that's the life cycle of a quail.